In this video, we're gonna get introduced to WordPress. So what is WordPress? WordPress is a software package that we can use as a content management system. We can use WordPress to build a blog. We can also use WordPress to build an e-commerce website or even a traditional static website. WordPress is very easy to learn and very easy to use, and we don't have to do too much programming when we use WordPress. Okay, so it started in 2003, and today it's trusted by millions of users around the world. It powers more or less 1/4 of the websites around the globe, and it's used by some of the big companies in the world like eBay, Forbes, or CNN. An example of a website using WordPress is the Google Ventures website. So this website is powered by WordPress. Okay. So WordPress comes with many templates that we call themes. So a theme is a template that we can use in WordPress and customize with our own content. So we can add anything we want, like text, pictures, and so on, okay, to build our own websites. Okay, so this is a WordPress theme. This is another example of a WordPress theme. Okay, and that's another one. Okay, so using WordPress, we can build static pages, okay, with some static content. And also we can create something we call posts, which are time-driven. And you can decide how frequent or how frequently you want to add posts to your website. So you can add them on a monthly basis, weekly, or even daily if you want to. Okay. Also, WordPress will come with some widgets, which are usually the boxes we see on the right-hand side or the left-hand side of the page. And these widgets, they will show, for example, recent news, archives, and sometimes they will offer a newsletter subscription box. Okay. An example of a website we're going to be building later on in our project section using WordPress. So there is something else in WordPress that we call plugins. So plugins, they are just ready pieces of code that we can use to create some components in our web pages without having to write any code. So an example is this Google Map. So we're going to use a plugin to create this without having to worry at all about any code. Contact forms. There are many plugins to use in WordPress to create some really nice looking contact forms. And another example we're going to be using is going to be a plugin like this, which is going to pop up a video on our screen. Okay. So that was a quick introduction to WordPress. In the next video, we are going to install WordPress.